السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم طلاب الأعزاء طلاب الصف الخامس. Good morning my dear students. Today we will study Unit 4 Beautiful Nature pages 30 and 31. We'll start our lesson today as usual with the new words. Love, flower, daffodils, hill, campfire, sit, happy, sky, stars, mountains, cool, smile, under, look, and hot. Love, flower, daffodils, hills, campfire, sit, happy, sky, stars, mountains, cool, smile, under, look, and hot. Now we talk about months of the year. Months of the year يعني شهور السنة. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now we will talk about seasons of the year. Seasons of the year يعني فصول السنة. Fall, winter, spring, summer. Fall or autumn هو الخريف. Winter ربيع. Spring winter شتاء. Spring ربيع. And summer صيف. Again fall or autumn, winter, spring, summer. Fall خريف. Winter شتاء. Spring ربيع. And summer الصيف. The 4 months are شهور الفول هو الخريف. September, October, and November. The winter months are December, January, February. Spring months are March, April, May. The summer months are June, July, and August. June, July, and August. Now we will talk about phonics. Here, S says s, like cats, ducks, snakes. Again, here, S says s, like cats, ducks, snakes. Here, S says z, like mountains, flowers, hills. Here it says z, like mountains, flowers, and hills. Now es says is. S says is like faces, noses, dresses. Faces, noses, dresses. Now open your books pages 30 and 31. Rhythm and listening. Exercise number 1. Chant and march. Chant and march. This is campfire. Okay, this is picture of a moon. Hills. Camp. Okay. Listen and repeat.
I love the mountains.
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the campfire when all the stars are out. I sit and I look and smile, I'm happy to be under this sky.
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the campfire when all the stars are out. I sit and I look and smile, I'm happy to be under the sky.
Okay, listen again and chant.
I love the mountains.
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the campfire when all the stars are out. I sit and I look and smile, I'm happy to be under this sky.
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the campfire when all the stars are out. I sit and I look and smile, I'm happy to be under the sky.
Okay, I love the mountains. I love the mountains. I love the mountains. أنا أحب الجبال. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. تلال. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. Flowers زهور. I love the daffodils اللي هي زهور النرجس. I love the campfire when all the stars are out. Campfire هذا المخيم. When the stars النجوم. This is the stars. Are out. I sit and I look and smile. أبتسم. I am happy to be under this sky. Under تحت sky اللي هي السماء. Exercise number 2. Listen, say and number. Then read. Okay?
Listen, point, and say. Number 1. Mountains, mountains.
Mountains, mountains.
Number 2. Cats, cats.
Cats, cats.
Number 3. Faces, faces.
Faces, faces.
Now listen, read, and number. If you hear z, z, write the number 1. If you hear s, s, write the number 2. If you hear is, write the number 3.
Are you ready? Let's begin. Ducks, ducks. Flowers, flowers. Hills, hills. Dresses, dresses. Snakes, snakes. Noses, noses.
Okay, here, number 1. It says z, like mountains. Number 2, it says s, like cats. Number 3, it says is like faces. Ducks. Yes, number 2, ducks. Number 2, ducks. Okay. Number flowers. Okay, number 1, flowers. Here, hills. Dresses. Number 3, dresses. Snakes. Number 2, snakes. Noses. Number 3, okay, is noses. Now listen and match, then chant and do. Listen and match, then chant. تسمع بعدين توصل then chant طبعا تسوي الأنشودة.
Back to school, it's fall. September, October, November.
Back to school, it's fall. September, October, November.
Getting cooler, winter's here. December, January, February.
Getting cooler, winter's here. December, January, February.
Flowers are out, it's spring. March, April, May.
Flowers are out, it's spring. March, April, May.
Yummy, summer's here. June, July, August. Are you ready to chant and do?
Back to school, it's fall. September, October, November. Getting cooler, winter's here. December, January, February. Flowers are out, it's spring. March, April, May. Yummy, summer's here. June, July, August, and back again.
Okay, number 1. Back to school, it's fall, September, October, and November. Fall, this is a picture. Fall, number 1. Getting cooler, winter here, December, January, February. Getting cooler, winter. Picture number 2, winter. Flowers are out, it's spring, March, April, May. Picture number 3, spring, Rabia. Yummy summer is here, June, July, and August. June, summer. Picture number 4. Picture number 4. Okay, I can chant the I love the mountain chant. طبعا الأنشودة. Goal 27. Goal 28. Name seasons and months. سمي طبعا seasons فصول السنة and months الشهور. Now workbook. Pages 89 and 90. Number 1. Listen and chant. Trace طبعا استمع. chant تغني. Trace طبعا تتبع الكلمات. I love the campfire when all the stars are out. I sit and look. I look and smile. I am happy to be under this sky. Here color the picture. طبعا مطلوب منك color the picture تنور الصورة. Listen and chant. Write the words. Back to school, it's fall. Okay, September, October, November. Getting cooler, winter's here, December, January, February. Flowers are out, it is spring. March, April, May. Yeah, it's summer here, June, July, and August, and back again. Fill and circle 4 words. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Again, spring, summer, fall, winter. Okay, this is the end of our lesson today. Goodbye.